Greg Buckley here, Buckley's Auto Care, and we have another fine Volkswagen with us today. And we're kind of looking around for a misfire, some loose spark, check engine light on, vehicle's running kind of rough. I just want to show you some of the odd things that we see and how we test. Now, I'm here with our lead tech, Ryan Arachi.
How you doing?
And what we're going to do, we got a bottle of salt water, and I'm going to show you right here. Ryan's going to demonstrate what we're looking for. It's going to be some loose spark, wayward spark, showing up typically around what we call the coil pack area. And watch this demonstration as we go through the steps here. There you go. Let's see if you can see the spark coming right from that bug wire and coil, and that's the root of our misfire here. Okay, so just like I said, showing you some of the things that we're doing here on the Volkswagen. It's a 2000 Jetta, and we're going to make that correction and help this customer get back on the road. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Take care.